I had a kid, I was walking down the hall about a month ago, and I said, excuse me, because they were coming at me and I was going upstream. So I said, hey, excuse me, guys. And I said it in a very nice way. And this kid said, excuse me, excuse you. And the other kid said, you're not excused, that type of stuff. So my radar goes up. But what I had to do was to just keep that in here, okay, and in here and keep walking. But I'll tell you what I was going to do the next day. The next day, if I worked in that school full time, I'd be in that hall every day saying, excuse me, guys, excuse me, guys, excuse me, guys. And I'd say to my whole staff, every time that bell rings and we change classes, everybody get out in those halls. We are going to start talking to kids. We are going to start talking to them, giving them directions. We are going to start setting a tone. When he says, excuse you, I'm not going to respond to that. But the next day I'm going to say, excuse me again, excuse me again. And then finally I'm going to say to that kid, hey, it's good to see you today. And that kid's going to look at me like, then I'm going to say, hey, heads up, nice to see you. Hey guys, remember to walk on this side of the hall. And after a while, they start to see the adults as, I don't mind behaving for these people because I know them now. They're out there, they're present, they're talking with me, not at me. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.